Hey guys, how's it going? This is Jeffie here. So just now I returned home after a quick walk outside and I thought I'll make a video today. So today I'm going to customize my phone case. First let's draw the outline of our phone case. Then we'll start sketching within it. Now our sketch is done and it's time to ink our sketch.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision and the soul.
Inking is almost done, my friends. Now we'll start coloring. But first, let's clean up the desk. Yes, the desk is cleaned, so we'll start coloring. First, I'm going to start with the realistic roses here. This part came out well, my friends. We'll finish the remaining as soon as possible.
Bruh.
It's taking too long than I expected. Let's finish it fast, my friend. And it's complete. Now I'll show you a trick to transfer this to your phone case. Yes. And that's it, my friends. Enjoy the reveal.